and namaste all beautiful yogis. Today we're going to talk about the Quairvain syndrome. Now this is something I experienced a couple of years back, wherein you cannot take your thumb basically to your pinky like so. Yeah, you'll be unable because the pain here in this area just below your thumb is usually excruciating. Why this happens? It's when your tendons that are passing through here underneath the thumb, they become swollen, as well as the covering, their sheath also becomes swollen. That is when they started rubbing here against each other because there's not so much space, and hence the pain. Alright, you can wear a splint. For this I used to wear a splint for a very long time. Yeah, my doctor suggested surgery, but one right hand and the Quairvains, no surgery. So how did I treat it? What did I use from my yoga practice for the Quairvains is all we're going to talk about. Yes. So first thing, you take your wrists like so and you clasp your fingers, yeah, and you start making big circles. Yes, you can make 10 in one direction. We've done 5, 10, and 10 in the other direction. Really big circles, 9 and 10. Now from here you release your fingers, you turn your wrists downwards, right? Take the wrists down, bring them up until they start coming apart. Yeah? Here you will start to press the knuckles against each other. So from pinky to your index finger, pinky to your index finger. Why are we doing wrist? Because wrist is where you will experience the pain and not the thumb really. You can keep doing this for a few more seconds. And from here itself we'll start to rotate our wrists like so. Yeah? Big circles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and in the other direction. 1, 2, try to keep the knuckles together. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. You can take the arms out, thumbs go in and make a fist. Now if you already have pain, this will be really difficult for you. Alright, make a fist and I want you to start rotating your wrists like so. Alright, so you're bringing it in, taking it out, down, bringing the wrist together, again down, and you keep doing this. And I think this is the last one, 10, and you reverse the direction. 2 and 3, 4, keep going. And the last one, 10. So you take the right thumb down, really make a big fist, use the other palm this way to extend that palm down. Alright, so you are radially extending your wrist. So my thumb is going down this way. Alright, down. So if you have to see from here, I'm taking it down. This is level, this is down. Yes, so you're going to take it down, and it is going to be quite painful, but this is the only way that you can get rid of this pain. 5. You can change just to even out. 2, 3, 4, 5, and do it a couple of more times. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 more times. 4, 3, 2, 1. Done with this. Now this time imagine there's a wall besides you. So there's a wall besides you. Your palm is besides the wall. You're going to press your arms here. Alright? You can actually do it physically against a wall as well. You're going to press your arm here, this side. To intensify this stretch, you can take your neck to the opposite side and that will stretch all of your arm. Alright? You can use the opposite arm. I'm using my left arm to bend the neck this way. You'll get a neck stretch as well as your arm is stretching. So keep opening your fingers out, keep breathing. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and release. Back to center, change sides. Extending the other arm out. This time my left arm is moving out. Imagining there's a wall besides it, and I'm going to stretch my neck in the opposite direction using my right palm and staying here, intensifying it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and release. So coming on to your all fours, when we come here, you're putting a lot of pressure on your wrists, right? So you can stay here on all fours. This is as much pressure as you want on your wrist. Stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can push slightly forward, so you are extending your wrist in the opposite direction. So if I keep this here, it may be slightly more painful. This is slightly easier version. Going forward, stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Coming back, sitting back, shake your wrists out. Shake your wrists out. Yes. And going again, this time taking your hands in the opposite direction. So your fingers are pointing towards you. You can do one wrist at a time. You don't need to do both the wrists at the same time. One wrist at a time. So you keep sitting back as much as possible. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and come back, release, change. So we're doing the right hand, we did the left hand, right hand. If you did the opposite, you can go with the opposite. So my right hand goes down, left hand is just supporting and I go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is quite an intense stretch for your wrists. Alright, turning the top of the palm down, fingers are still pointing towards you. Now turning the inner eye of the elbow outwards and then you start sitting back as much as possible for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, changing the sides here and turning the inner eye of the elbow outwards and sitting back for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and come back to center. That completes our wrist exercises. You can repeat them as many times as you want. Thank you for watching today's video. In case you like the video, please leave a big thumbs up, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Namaste.